Hello, this is Artisan Crafter Amy, and I know you're probably thinking, wait, Amy, you already showed me this journal, or I've already seen this one. But what's happened is it has had, just in 48 hours, 1.9 thousand views, and I lost contact with the person I had planned to swap this with. I said in the other video they had no idea I was making this or that I had them in mind. We didn't share contact information, and per the group instructions, I deleted the post after I thought I had made contact, and only after deleting it realized I didn't, neither of us shared contact information. Our plan was to trade journals next month anyway, and more exciting news, I had like 8 or 9 sales in my Etsy shop today, which it was so amazing. I'm so thankful, so grateful. Very excited. Case in point, I only have 3 journals left in my shop, and one of them I just put in there today. So I thought this might be a great reason to add this journal to the shop. And what I did was, when I sell the journals, I like to have lots of interactive elements and add some extra lace. I just want to make them extra. People are paying cold hard cash, and I think they should get something extra. If they swap with me, then they might still want to buy one because they're extra. All right, so here we are. What I did was I added this interactive element here with the lady there. And I don't know if you can see the little character in the window that comes out and fits back in there. It's double-sided, but it has a neutral background. And then on these tags, again, they have, and then they have a neutral background, so you could write on them. Not that I think you probably would. It's just so cute. Actually, that one goes this way. Yeah, he's hanging down. Hang in there, man. And then I just put that in the pocket on the front, so that's new. This stuff is the same. Let me see, this is new. I didn't like the image there. Kiwi says hello, our pet parrot, or small parrot. I didn't like this image. I took that out. I added this black lace. I added the lace to the edges of the pages. He gets so excited when I film. I hope you don't mind the sound of him. He doesn't have a very pretty voice, but this is his attempt at chiming in and saying hello. He's really not trying to screech at you. He's just trying to say, hey, hello. I'm sorry I sound, like screeching. So here it is. He could say other things, but they're too quiet for us to hear. Those are the only things we could hear from him being across the room. And then it's my flip up notepad. All of the interactive elements, but one I have a tutorial for on my channel. And most of these things don't need any paper clip to stay there, so you could use these as bookmarks. But I wanted to make, have them make like they look like they made sense. I looked at the closed captioning on one of my videos the other day, and holy cow, I wish I didn't say so much. I had no idea how often I say that. This is another place where I had removed the image. It was a hot air balloon that was a black and white image that was pale, and it just didn't have the pop that I wanted. So some of these changes I might have made anyways before sending off the swap, since the other partner hadn't even started yet. I had time to go back and make modifications depending on what they had done. Oh, right, I'm showing you everything again. So, right, none of this stuff changed here. I'll try to just point out the things that changed. I added this here. It's a vintage document. That's a digital file available in my Etsy shop. Let's see, what else? This black lace here. I added black lace in a few spots. I know that was new. So just a couple of things. I mean, I really didn't change a lot aside from adding the interactive elements. I hope I got to all of those too, right? This one, the notepad. Yeah, I did. Okay, good. Because I know one of the journals I did a flip through, and then later I'm like, wait a minute, there were like 3 pockets that I never opened or showed off. So That'll be a nice surprise for those people when they get it, since they didn't even know there was a pocket there. If they find the pocket, one of the nice things about doing these videos is that it shows you where all the stuff is hidden, how to find it, how to open it, and where to put everything back if you want to put it back the same way that I did it. So here from the top, view from the top, you can see it's a single signature, and it has 40 pages. So it was 10 sheets of folded paper, make 40 pages if they were numbered like a book, front and back, every leaf of page. And I've used blue ribbon. It's a hand sewn signature with waxed coated linen thread, and I've covered you can't see where I've stitched the binding in, with fabric over the spine, and then there's the ruffled fabric, the 3-dimensional paper flowers, and it's an altered file folder where I've reinforced it to have a hard cover. I'm really happy with how it came out, and it will be headed to my Etsy shop soon. I did sell another journal before getting it in the shop, so if you don't see it in the shop and you're interested in buying it, you could filter to see if I sold it. Look at my listings and filter for sold, so you'd know if I already sold it. Or if not, just message me either in my Etsy shop or through one of my social medias, or here on YouTube. Private message me about being interested in it. So thank you so much for looking, and I hope you all have a great day. Artisan Crafter Amy. Oh, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and share the channel if you think the content might be interesting for people you know. If you're another creator, I hope you found something inspiring or interesting. And if you've come over from the Etsy shop to see this video, thanks so much for coming over here. I'll link the other video where I do the longer flip through from before to the end of this video, so you can just click on that and watch that one. And I'll link them both to each other, so they'll kind of go back and forth. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.